are you? Have a seat. Thank you. Okay. Today I want to discuss different questions from the Nectas. Okay? Yes. Now, we have also question number 9, the year of 2020. Okay? Yes. Question number 8a. Figure 3 shows the profile of the radio wave. Study it carefully and determine its wave length. Okay?
Yes.
Now we have the figure here shows the profile of the radio wave. And this, you see, this profile or this graph shows in the vertical we have displacement, and the unit of displacement is what? It is meter, okay?
Yes.
But the horizontal line represents the time, okay?
Yeah.
But this time is in microsecond, okay?
Yeah.
It's in microsecond. Now, our work here is to study carefully, then determine the value of what? Of the wavelength of that wave, okay? Yes. And we know that in order to know the wavelength means that it's how to find it. If this wave complete 1 second, okay?
Yes.
Now, because the horizontal line represents time in microseconds, okay? Yes. Then you can find the period, okay? Yeah. You can find what? The period. And the period, this is the time whereby a wave complete 1 second, okay?
Yes.
Now, what is the period from the figure? Who can tell us what is the period? Okay? The period, this is the time where a wave completes 1 second. What is the period now? Yes? Musa?
The period will be 0.6.
0.6.
Yes.
0.6. Another one? Okay. Regan?
The period will be 0.8 seconds.
Yeah, the period will be 0.6 microseconds. Can you clap hands for Regan? Okay. Yeah, the period is the time where a wave complete what? 1 second. You see, this is here. This is the first half second. Have you seen?
Yes.
But we have another half second. Okay?
Yes.
This one. This is another half second. So a half plus a half, then you get a complete what? Second. Here, when reach this time here, I will complete what?
1 second.
1 second. And here, 0.8, it is the period. Labeled as what? T, capital T. Okay?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
Let's see now the answer or the solution. Okay? We know that velocity of a wave is equal to frequency times what? Times wave what? Wavelength. Okay? But we know that the reciprocal of the frequency gives us what? Period. Are we together?
Yes.
And the period, this is the time for a wave to complete 1 second. Okay?
Yes.
Now, as we see here, the reciprocal of the frequency is what? Is period. Okay?
Yes.
Whereby T represents period and F represents the frequency, where lambda represents the wavelength and V represents what? Velocity. Now, from the formula, we say that velocity is equal to wavelength divided by what? By the period. And the period we have, which is 0 point what? 0.8. Okay?
Yes.
Now, if you substitute here and you make the wavelength the subjective, then wavelength is equal to velocity times what? Times the period. But we know that the question said that given that, have you seen?
Yes.
Given that, the question say, given that the velocity of the radio waves, which is electromagnetic waves, okay? It is known, which is 3.0 times 10 power 8, okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So you substitute here the velocity of the radio waves, which is electromagnetic what? Waves. And the velocity is known that, and it is constant, is given to the question paper, okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
As a constant, which is 3.0 times 10 power
Power
8. This one. Have you seen it?
Yes, yes.
This is the constant what? Velocity. Constant what? Velocity. This velocity of the radio what? Wave, or the velocity of electromagnetic what? Wave. Then you substitute here, you find the wavelength of what? Of the wave, which is 240,000 meters. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Now let us see another question. But we have a question comes from examination 2020 number 4. Okay?
Yes.
4B. Okay?
Yes.
And this question, we can read the question here. We say that a uniform pencil AB, weight 40 gram, can be balanced horizontally on a knife edge at 2 centimeters from the end A. When a mass of 60 gram is hanging from this end. Okay?
Yes.
The question said that what is the question said that what is the mass? No, what is the length of what? What is the length? Now the question said that what is the length of what? Of the pencil. Okay?
Yeah.
What is the length of what? Of the pencil. What is the length of the pencil? What is the length of the pencil? B, 2020, a uniform pencil, AB, weight, the weight of the pencil is 40 gram, can be balanced horizontally on a knife edge at 2 centimeters from the end A. When a mass of 60 gram is hanged from this end. Okay? Now the question said that what is the length of the pencil? Okay?
Yes.
So we are required to find the length of what? The pencil. Okay?
Yes.
Are you together?
Yes.
Now, to start this question, let us see the diagram. Okay? Let us see what? The diagram. Okay? The diagram shows this pencil. Okay? So here, we have a pencil here. Okay, this is our pencil. Okay,
Yes.
and we say that this end here is the end A. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now from this end A to the knife edge, the length here is 2 centimeter, as the question says, is 2 what? Centimeter. Okay?
Yes.
But the question said that there is a weight which is 60 hanging at the end of what? End A. Okay?
Yes.
Now this is the knife edge, but we have already given that also the weight of this pencil is 40 gram. Okay?
Yes.
From the question. This one. The weight of the pencil is 40 what? Okay?
Yes.
Now from the diagram we see that, now we say that let the length of the pencil is P centimeter. Okay?
Yes.
Let the length of this centimeter be P what? This pencil be P what? Centimeter. Okay?
Yes.
Now what will be the length starting from the pivot to end B? Okay?
Yes.
This one. Now if the length from end A to the knife edge is 2 centimeter, okay? Now the length from knife edge to end B is what? We say that it is P minus 2 centimeter, okay?
Yes.
Because the length of the pencil, now we say that it is what? It is P, okay?
Yes.
It is what?
P.
It is P. So this length here is P minus what? Minus 2. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
Now from the principle of moment, okay? The principle of what? Who can tell us the principle of moment now? Yes, Emmanuel?
Principle of moment states that the anti-clockwise moment will be equal to the clockwise moment.
Yeah, very good. Anti-clockwise moment is equal to clockwise what? Moment. Now from that, the anti-clockwise moment is this one, which is 2 times 60 gram. Okay?
Yes.
Have we see? This is the anti-clockwise what? Moment. Have we see? This is 60 times what? Centimeter 2 or 2 centimeter. Okay?
Yes.
This one now. This side. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, clockwise moment. 2 times 2 centimeter times 60 gram. Okay?
Yes.
Now this will be equal to the sum of the moment to this side, which is P centimeter minus 2 centimeter times the mass of the pencil, which is 40 gram. Okay?
Yes.
Now from that, then you can calculate the value of what? The value of P. Okay? It's
Yes.
just a matter of substitution here, and you make the subject P, then you get P is equal to 5 what? Centimeter. And you say that this is the length of what? Of the pencil. So the length of the pencil, it is 5 what? Centimeter. Okay?
Yes.
It is clear.
Yes.
Thank you. Now this is the end of my presentation.